Hey there, friends! Grab your pencil and paper, because today we're going to draw a grumpy bear. We'll start by drawing the head. And as you begin, remember to draw lightly so you can erase and make changes easily. Here I'm beginning the shape for the body. And when you make corrections, make your corrective mark first so that you erase no more than necessary. Proportions are key. Notice how the body is roughly twice the height of the head. Here I'm going to add the ears, and here I'm going to add the bear's arms. And notice the angle of the arms. This is because it's a grumpy bear and he has his hands on his hips in a look of disapproval. We'll add his paws here. And here we'll give him some very short legs and feet. We'll add these lines for the arms, and then these circles for the ears. Next I'll draw a vertical line in the center of the head, as well as a horizontal line just below center. This serves as a guide for the features of the face. The first features that I'm going to add are the eyes, and you'll notice that they're half circles. Also, notice the angle of the tops of the eyes and how close together the eyes are. These two details help give the bear a grumpy look. Now I'll start drawing the bear's snout. And here I'll add some lines to make the bear's brow look very furrowed and grumpy. Then I can add more details in the eyes. I'll slightly alter the shape of the head here and add some extra rolls of fur around the neck. And these details are to help make the bear's head look very furry. If you'd like, you could add a shape here for the belly. Once I've drawn all my details, I can erase any lines that I don't need anymore. Now I'll add just a few more finishing touches before I add some color to my bear. Now it's time for some color. As you're finishing up this grumpy bear, perhaps you'd want to think about creating a story for him. What would his story be about? What made him so grumpy? And what's his name? What other characters would be in his story? I'd love to hear about what you come up with. Thanks for drawing the grumpy bear with me today. Comment below with what you named your bear, and also if you came up with a story for him, maybe why he's so grumpy. Click subscribe if you want more awesome art videos, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.